My all-in-one filters went kablooey. I got no response from it at all. Might be the adapter might be blown over there, but it's a weird adapter. Power comes in here, goes into the pump, and then it comes out of the pump and goes over here to the UV light. Well, I had ordered something last night because of this. If it's just the adapter, well, I might be able to replace the adapter. Fishies are still doing fine. I do still have my sponge filter down there. Well, I'll figure something out.
As you can see here, this is my blown power adapter. Doesn't matter which way the power is plugged in. Negative, positive doesn't seem to matter to the pump and UV filter. The power goes into the pump and then comes out with a different wire out to the UV light. This is a power adapter, basic one. It doesn't seem to have the output required to be used, so it's no good.
Well, I pawned pump outside and my filter went kablooey. So my whole filter system is down and my bond outside. I've ordered this here. It requires a pump of 850 to 1,250 gallons per hour, which is GPUs. The pump I got out in the shed is 528. I might just try using that with it. This is a small one, small canister for outside ponds. It's got a UV light in it and stuff. Now, I found a little video here somewhere.
Advising when it's time to clean the filters by changing in color from green to red. To clean the filters, simply flip the easy toggle backflush switch, which allows easy cleaning without disassembly or mess. Since the pressurized pond filter can be buried partially into the ground, it is also easy to disguise around your pond.
Anyway, that's that. If that pump don't work outside, I'm either going to look at this pump here or this pump here. I got information on this pump. It's all good about this pump for 86 bucks. And the other pump, I couldn't find any information at all on this one, if it's any good or not. But it's a really good price, $62 for a 1,000 GPU pump. That's really nice. Looks like a standard pump. The reviews I found on this one's really good. Anyway, that's what I got going on for my pond. Trying to get a filter back. Right now it's just running off a sponge filter. I'll have to cut back on how much I'm feeding it for the next while. Because, well, the more you feed it, the more dirtier their fish get, right?